Let me ask you something. How long have you been dreaming about landing your ideal job? That role where you wake up every day excited, where your skills are valued, where your paycheck reflects your worth. If you're still dreaming, let's make this year the year that you turn that dream into a reality. Here's the truth. The job market is tough, but so are you. And with the right strategy, you can absolutely break through. Welcome to Scrum Academy. I am your Scrum coach, Scott Adams. Today, we're diving into one of the most important topics of the year. 4 steps to landing your dream job. Let's turn your aspirations into actionable steps that deliver results. Maybe you've been ghosted after interviews, spent hours tweaking your resumes only to get rejected, or worse, you've been stuck in a role doing twice the work for half the pay. Does that sound familiar? Let's not even talk about the job boards, scrolling through hundreds of listings only to wonder, am I even qualified? Or maybe, will they even notice my application? It's exhausting, right? But here's the kicker. Most people think the answer is to apply more, to grind harder. That's not the answer. The answer is strategy, precision, and focus, just like a Scrum Master would use to deliver a high-performance sprint. Step 1. Define your dream job. D is for define. First things first, what is your definition of done? What does success look like for you? Is it remote work? Is it a 6-figure salary? Is it more time? The ability to lead transformational, agile initiatives? If you don't have a clear vision, you will settle for whatever comes along. And let me tell you, settling is the fastest way to career burnout. Without clarity, you're likely to say yes to roles that don't align with your goals. And ultimately, you'll find yourself unhappy all over again. Step number 2, refine your strategy. I'm assuming that you do have a strategy. Please tell me you do have a strategy. I'm thinking about what my grandmother told me at a very, very young age. You only have one time to make a first impression. So make it count. The R is for refine. Having a strategy is key. Are you optimizing your LinkedIn profile and your resume or curriculum vitae to reflect your unique skills? Are you reaching out to hiring managers with confidence? Or are you blindly submitting applications hoping for the best? Here's a tip. Don't treat your job search like a lottery. Approach it like a sprint with clear goals and measurable outcomes. Without a strategy, you're wasting time, energy, and opportunities. And that's expensive. Not just in dollars, but also in confidence. Take Sarah, for example. She was overwhelmed, juggling family obligations just like I was, applying for jobs in a competitive market. After implementing a focused strategy, she secured a remote Scrum Master role paying $135,000 a year. That is a 50% increase from a previous job. Sarah didn't just work harder. She worked smart. Step number 3, implement tools to track your progress. The I stands for implement. How are you tracking your applications? Do you know how many you've sent out? Which one resulted in interviews? This is where tools come in. If you're comfortable with Excel, great. But if you're a Scrum Master, why not use Scrum tools? Create a backlog for your job hunt and treat each application like a user story. Track its progress, prioritize the best opportunities, and measure your outcomes. A backlog isn't just for user stories, it's for managing your life, including your job hunt. Many job seekers spin their wheels like being in a gym, applying to dozens or even hundreds of jobs without knowing what's working. The result, burnout, frustration, and a sense of aimlessness. Without a system in place, you might be repeating the same mistakes over and over again without realizing it. One of my students, Jenny, created a simple tracking system in Excel and applied to 145 jobs in 3 months. It wasn't easy. She got ghosted, rejected, and doubted herself, but her tracking helped her stay focused, and she eventually landed a role that aligned with her goals.
Hey!
That's the power of implementation, knowing where you stand and taking informed actions to move forward. Step number 4, validate your approach and don't give up. The V stands for validate. Every rejection is an opportunity to validate your approach. Job hunting can feel brutal. You're putting yourself out there and rejection can hit hard. But here's the truth. Every no gets you closer to the right yes. The key here is resilience, learning from every no, pivoting until you get that yes, using the right tools, and having the right guidance to keep you going. This is exactly what Scrum teams do in their retrospectives. Evaluate, adapt, and improve.
Hey!
Did you read your Scrum guide today? Because here you can clearly see empiricism at work. Transparency. We want to make things transparent. We want to inspect and we want to adapt based upon what we're looking at and make decisions in real time. The definition of empiricism. Rejection can feel like a personal attack. It's easy to think, I'm not good enough, or this market is impossible, the economy is bad, or whatever excuse you're telling yourself in your mind in between your ears. But often it's not about you. It's about refining your approach. Without a system for validation, you might keep hitting the same old walls and never know why. Kevin, another student, experienced rejection after rejection because his resume wasn't getting through ATS scans. We'll talk about ATS scans in the next video. Certainly want to dedicate some time to that because that could be the thing that's keeping you from getting in front of a live person. By validating his process and seeking feedback, he revamped his approach. Within weeks, he secured a $160,000 per year contract. The difference? Kevin didn't see rejection as failure. He saw it as feedback.
Hey!
Steps 1 through 4 will get you closer to your dream job, but the final step is where the real magic happens. Elevate. This is about negotiating like a pro and positioning yourself as an indispensable asset. It's where you secure the compensation, benefits, and the leadership role that you truly deserve. And here's the thing. I'm not going to cover Elevate here. Why? Because it's exclusive to the Serious Scrum MasterClass. If you're ready to unlock your full earning potential, this class is definitely for you.
Hey!
Look, I've been where you are. I know the frustration of spinning your wheels like riding on a Peloton bicycle and getting nowhere. That's why I've developed a proven step-by-step system to help Scrum Masters, Agile professionals, and job seekers like you not just land a job, but land the right job and potentially double or triple your income in the process. In the Serious Scrum Masterclass, I will teach you my DRIVE framework. D is for define. Create a crystal clear vision for your dream job. R is for refine. Optimize your resume, LinkedIn, and networking strategy. I is for implement. Break down your job search into actionable sprints with measurable outcomes. V is for validate. Track and evaluate what's working so that you can pivot as needed. E is for elevate. Negotiate like a pro to secure the pay and position that you deserve. Sarah, Jenny, Kenny's stories are just the beginning. If you want to explore more and truly transform your job hunt, not only that, and your career, I would recommend that you apply for the Serious Scrum Masterclass today. This is an exclusive offer for those ready to fully commit to mastering their craft, elevating their leadership, and multiplying their income. Seats are very limited, making this a unique, high-impact experience for those who are truly ready to achieve greatness. For everyone else, don't worry, you're not left out. While you're waiting on if your application will be accepted or not, we invite you to attend the next Give Yourself 100% Raise Challenge. This is open for everyone. To apply for the Serious Scrum MasterClass, click below. Again, it is very limited. Only those whose application is approved get an opportunity to be in that particular class. Or you can register for the next Give Yourself a Raise Challenge. That is open to everyone. Your career deserves the investment. Let's make this year you transform your potential into results. And as always, be agile, do Scrum, and be super duper legendary this year. Not like last year. Last year's gone. It's a new year. So it's time to multiply. Whatever number you ended with last year, we're not talking about addition here. We're going to multiply that number by the end of this year. If you're down for that, I look forward to reviewing your application. I'll see you in the next video.